Welcome to my channel Styling Threads. My today's video is about making an A-line top, high-low A-line top I am making out of this dupatta. This is Jarjit dupatta I have taken, and you can take any fabric like linen, silk, Jarjit, chiffon. Lining I am not going to attach with this fabric because I already have lining of the same color fabric, so I am not going to attach in this video. First I will fold this fabric in 4 layers and then I will start cutting and stitching. I have folded my fabric in 4 layers. Now first I would take all the basic measurements. Total length which I have to take would be 31 inches. So first I would take 31 inches length. And width wise, from this downside I am taking all the fabric because this is A-line top. So I have taken 31 inches length. Basically this is the length from this side. 31 inches length I have taken for this side because from this side, from this folded side, I have to give this top shape of high-low. From the front side I have to go above of this line some inches, and from the back side I have to go down from this line. So I would give this shape of high-low after taking these basic measurements. And for basic measurements, if you have any top, A-line top, you can put your A-line top over here and you can trace all the measurements after taking seam allowance. But I would take all the measurements according to my requirement, and then I would give shape of high-low from this side. Okay. So these are the basic measurements which I have taken for my top. Width of neckline I have taken 3 inches. This is the shoulder line, 7 inches, total was 14. 1 inch shoulder drop, 6.5 inches for arm, and this is the chest measurement with seam allowance 9.5, and this is the waist measurement 8.5, and this waist measurement I have taken 13 inches down from this shoulder line, and from the waistline I have joined this line till this end line. Okay, it would be loose from here, so there is no need to take hip measurement. So I have attached this point till this point. Okay, and I have taken a slanting line in this way. This would be the shape for the front side armhole, and this would be the shape of the back side armhole. And from here I wouldn't take a curve because this is A-line top, so I would take this shape. For the front side I would go above of this line 4 inches. It's totally up to you how much high you want to come. I am taking only 4 inches and I'll give this shape. And from the back side I have to give a little curve in this way. So I would take almost 5 inches, 5.5 inches I am taking with seam allowance. So I have cut my front and the back side. This is the front side and I have given this shape, and this is the back side. And from this folded side, the total difference of length is almost 10 inches. Now I would start stitching, and for stitching first I have to make neckline, and then I would attach front and the back side. Okay. have to take a stitch very close to this basting sheet, and then I will turn this to the right side. Okay, I have set this on the wrong side of my front side, and while taking a stitch over here, I also have to take a stitch on this button loop, and in this direction I will put this over here, and I have to take a stitch on it, and when I would turn this to the right side, its direction would be opposite. Okay, and I would attach a button over here. Neckline to the right side of front side. Now I will take two top stitches, one at this edge and one at this edge, and after that I would open this loose stitch. After taking these two top stitches, then I would attach back side with the front side, and I would make back side neckline. I only have to attach a bias strip at the back side of my neckline. Okay. From the front and the back side, I have attached front and the back side, and I also have attached my sleeves, which I already have cut, and I have done picot over here, and I didn't take fitting stitch. Without taking fitting stitch, I have attached my sleeves in a very easy way. Now I would take my fitting stitch, but I would take my fitting stitch till this point. I would leave 1 inch from here, okay, from this side and from this end and from the other end, and I have a bias strip. I would attach this bias strip, and I would attach this bias strip, okay, and then I would complete my fitting stitch from this side and from that side. I would start attaching this bias strip from the right side, okay, and then I would turn this. way I have completed my this high-low A-line top, and I also have attached a button on my neckline, and this is now complete. I hope that you would have liked this video. If you have any query about this, you can ask me in comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon so you can get the notification of my new video as soon as I upload. Till my next video, take care, bye.